Hi everyone, Amtrak Fan 19 here. Today on the Engines of Amtrak, I'm here to talk about the Siemens Charger locomotives. Amtrak's trusty fleet of GE Genesis were previously done on intercity trains, and a long-term replacement would be needed. They've been stable in the railroad since 1993, now it was the year 2023. Amtrak went with Siemens for their new locomotive, and they chosen the Siemens Charger locomotives. With technical spectrum marks for the Siemens Charger, the A stands for Amtrak, L for long distance, C for Charger, and 42 for 4,200 horsepower. For the SC44, S stands for Siemens, C for Charger, and 44 for 4,400 horsepower. They were rated for a top speed of 125 miles an hour, and they produce different horsepowers. They came equipped with Nathan K5LA air horns. Here's a few samples. Amtrak Siemens Chargers have been around in a year ago, and they've replaced Genesis roster on intercity trains and long-distance trains in the western half of the country. However, the P32 ACDM was to be replaced by the ALC 42E sometime in the late 2020s as part of the Amtrak Aero fleet. Hopefully more scenic journeys to come with these Siemens Chargers. And they definitely left their mark in the history book of Amtrak, the National Railroad Passenger Corporation. Thank you for watching. Thank you to all the people who provided photos and videos for this episode. I will be progressing Amtrak's motor power next time when I discuss the GE P30CH. Stay tuned and thank you again for watching.